So I have this Excel data that talks about product sale by rep, item, unit cost, and total for various dates. And I want to use Kimi AI to analyze it for me completely. Here am I on my Kimi platform. I've just logged in. I've created a new chat. I can come over here to add the Excel sheet. I can just click, navigate to wherever I saved it. I have it here, and then I uploaded it. So I can just go ahead and ask the question. Can you analyze this data and give me 3 major takeaways from it? So let's go ahead and enter. And let's see how good this Kimi AI is going to analyze the data that I have. Yes, the key takeaways are on the central redominate sales volume and revenue. So you can see it is able to read through and critically give analysis. Top 3 highest value orders are all from central. And take a look at the explanation. These are the amounts and who is the sales rep at that time. The central reps consistently push high margin items. So the key thing is it is picking the products one by one and it's giving you direct explanation as regards the content, what it entails, what's underperforming, why it is underperforming, and then actionable insights as regards the product that we have in that particular shop or something. It has actually done the analysis and it has given us a fantastic approach to this, and I kind of like what it has produced. So you can go on and ask further questions and probably follow-up questions and see how you can be able to get in more information from this particular data that we've just provided. This is basically how to analyze data with Kimi AI completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.